Majella.
Yep.
We
And
are.
the besties.
And today we're going to be doing
Finishing each other's sentences.
finishing each other's sentences. Sentences.
Sentences. Okay.
Mm.
Now, do you like my new hairstyle? It's very slang hair. Thanks, guys.
Anyway, I don't know who wants to start out. She might want to start because she was begging me to do this. She's on my nerves.
When you said once,
Okay.
you start.
Once
Upon
a
time
there
was
a
girl
named
Lola.
she
Went
to
a
store
and
brought
candy.
and
Then
she
went
home
and
left.
home.
She went home and she went home and
Then
she
went
to
a
party
with
her
friends.
and
Then
they
got
drunk
and
they
went.
to
She said in
nope and they went to
to this
party. They went to this beach. Yeah. Then they went to this beach
and
they
had
sex
with
all
her
friends.
Then
they
oh my god. They
I just said they
saw
their
boyfriends.
that's what I was just thinking. They
kissed
them
a
goodbye.
my hair.
They kissed them a goodbye.
Then
They
she's giving me hard ones. I should start off first. They ran
home.
because
They
if you don't stop saying that, because they got
tired.
and then
They I'm doing this on purpose.
she
And then she
they went
to
their
boyfriend's
house
to
watch yep
Netflix
and
chill.
then
The
boy
said
let's
fuck.
and then
The
say she
nope.
then the what my hair's not slanted. Then the boy
Wanted
yep
Then the boy wanted pussy. So
the girl
took
her
pants
off
and
he
kissed
her
all
over
her
body.
the
End. Deuces. I'm sure.
bye.
Another story.
Another story? Okay.
I'll start off first. There,
Was
egg,
girl.
man. Oh yeah.
Huh?
What? Okay, what?
Okay, so start off again.
There,
Was
egg,
girl.
she, she
was
pregnant.
by
This
nigga
name.
Starfire.
So
She
got
huh?
what?
Huh?
What?
Huh? Huh? Okay. Then she got
Mad
that's me.
Oh.
Mad.
because
He
left.
her.
I mean, no. He came. I mean, he
He left her. No, wait. He left her. Now she
hanging
with
this
baby.
and
Her
baby.
in her
Yeah.
stomach. In her belly. Okay.
Then
She
was
sad.
because
He
didn't
care
about
them.
yes. So
Moral.
who's moral?
Moral.
Moral
Moral of the story. That's what moral means. Moral
of the story.
of
The story.
no, you gotta say of. Only one word.
Okay. Of
The
story.
is
She's making this confusing.
is
So
black. Black.
bye.
Black. Black by people.
Black bye people. Black bye. You're making this confusing now. So confusing. Come on.
Black by I said people.
So
Boy, what are you doing?
I said so.
So the
Woman
she was supposed to say in.
and
Nope. I said in. I said the. You supposed to say in. The woman slayed
her
prom
dress.
forever. Lisa